In this quick video, I'll show you how to upload video to Google Drive and share link in mobile. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So firstly, we need to open Google Drive. If you don't have it, then we can install it using Google Play Store or App Store in iOS. Then just open your Google Drive. After that, we need to log in here with our Google account. If you use your Google account anywhere in your device, then it will automatically recognize that account and log in here. If it won't, then we need to manually log in with our Google account to use Google Drive. After that, go to Files. We can see it in the corner and then click on New icon. After that, we can simply click on Upload and then select the file you want to upload in your Google Drive. I want to upload this video, so for that I will click here. Then it will prepare your video file and it will automatically start uploading your video file. We need to wait here. Depending on your video file size, it will take that much time. My file size is low, so that's why it will take less time. And now you can see my video has been uploaded successfully in Google Drive. So now I want to share its link with my friend. So for that I can click on these three dots in the corner of my video. You can see it here. I can click there. Now click on share. After that, again click on the three dots which are present on the right corner. After that, click on manage access. Now we need to change our general access from restricted to anyone with the link. We need to click on restricted. After that, again click on restricted. Now this time click on anyone with the link, and now you can see my access has been changed from restricted to anyone with the link. Now there are three options we can set in anyone with the link. You can see three options are here: viewer, commenter, editor. So I would recommend you to set it to viewer, so anyone can view your file who have its link. After that, we can click on this link icon on the top corner. I can click on it and now you can see the video link has been copied to my clipboard. Now I can paste it on my browser. I will simply paste it here. There you go. We can see our video using our link. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.